Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. People who are watching me on any of the social media platforms, especially the hoteliers, should watch this. If you are a hotel owner, you should definitely watch this because this particular video is made for the hotel owners, and I'm sure this particular video will benefit them to the core. Let me first introduce myself. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988. That means I have completed 32 years in the hotel industry. A Taj veteran, foundation is Taj. Amazon #1 best-selling author. I have authored a book, Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business. This particular book has become #1 bestseller on Amazon. I am the only author in India who has authored a book on this subject, and it has been appreciated by most of the readers. Thank you, readers. A steward transformed into a managing director. Founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. Mellon Hospitality was incorporated in the year 2011. In Mellon, we have two divisions. A project division which undertakes the projects under the technical consultancy agreement or the technical services agreement. We do end-to-end hotel projects for the clients. We also take over the hotels which are under the refurbishment or brownfield projects and complete them. In terms of hotel projects, as the promoter, as the MD of the company, I guarantee that while you are doing the hotel project, we will ensure that by the time you finish the project, we are saving 10 to 15% on your entire project cost. Say for argument's sake, the cost of the project is 50 crores. I will guarantee that I will come and save 5 to 7.5 crore by the time we finish the project. Otherwise, we will not take the fees. This is my personal guarantee. Point number 2. When it comes to operations, we take hotels on management contract. We operate them under the SOPs, under our brand. We have various categories of brand. Mellon is the company. Intercon is the brand. It's a young brand which has been introduced. We operate resorts, we operate business hotels, we operate luxury hotels, we operate mid-market hotels, and we also operate apartments. Depending on the proposal, we do a management contract. We take the properties on revenue share under the lease model. However, having said that, when it comes to operations, marketing is the key, getting the business is the key. It's not about just putting your hotel on the online travel agents portals and just sell the properties. No, we ensure that marketing is done, and if it is the running property, if the owner is running the property and if we take over the property, we will ensure that within first quarter we will give you a revenue boost in terms of hotel rooms, in terms of banqueting, in terms of F&B plus 10 to 15%, and we will take our fees not on the entire revenue, on the revenues which we have contributed to the hotel. That is our confidence, and that is what we will do for the owners in terms of the operations. So the solution is solved. You want business, we will give you business. You want service, we will give you service. You want good reviews, it is our responsibility. So once we come with you, the story is over. We take charge, we take the authority, accountability and responsibility. Everything goes hand in hand. We help hotel owners in both projects as well as operations. So Mellon is the solution for you. You can reach our website www.mellonhotels.com melonhotels.com, melonhotels.com. I would like to talk about few testimonials when it comes to projects. Planet Hollywood in Goa is completely done by us. It's a 120 room, 5-star deluxe property, a 10-acre property at bang on the beach at South Goa, Utoda. That property was completely done by me. It is doing wonders today, and I am proud to say that. There is one more hotel in Goa on the Bombay-Goa highway, which was run under our brand. That property is also completed by us. It's a 35-room boutique property. It is also doing wonders, and there are n number of hotel projects which we have done pan-India. When it comes to operations, Manas Resorts in Igatpuri is completely my baby right from 2005. Whatever has happened in Manas till date, the brand has developed, the credit goes to us. Sai Miracle in Shirdi, it's a 44-room property. Revenue was, when we picked it up, it was around 4 lakhs. Today we are doing 18 to 20 lakh rupees as on date. When it comes to Sanjeevani Resorts at Igatpuri, again that property is under us. There are few testimonials which I wanted to share with you. This is what we are doing in terms of the business. So I ensure you the profits, the bottom lines, the cost cuts on the project. Otherwise, we are not taking our fees. This is what I wanted to share with you. If you like my video, if you want to get connected with me, please put in a message down below. I am available for a free 10 to 15 minutes call. Let us discuss your project, and we can definitely take it forward in good faith and for betterment of the property. Signing off, Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. See you below with the message and a free call to get connected.